कस्तो चलिरहेको छ? How is it going? How is it going? कस्तो चलिरहेको छ? How is it going? तपाईँ कति वर्षको हुनुभयो? How old are you? How old are you? तपाईँ कति वर्षको हुनुभयो? How old are you? आज म भाग्यमानी छु. I am lucky today. I am lucky today. आज म भाग्यमानी छु. I am lucky today. वरिपरि कोही छैन. Nobody is here. Nobody is here. वरिपरि कोही छैन. Nobody is here. अब रुन बन्द गर. Now stop crying. Now stop crying. अब रुन बन्द गर. Now stop crying. उनी धेरै कुरा गर्छिन्. She talks a lot. She talks a lot. उनी धेरै कुरा गर्छिन्. She talks a lot. यो उचित छैन. That is not fair. That is not fair. यो उचित छैन. That is not fair. उसलाई धोका नदिनुस्. Don't cheat on him. Don't cheat on him. उसलाई धोका नदिनुस्. Don't cheat on him. ठुलाको आदर गर. Respect your elders. Respect your elders. ठुलाको आदर गर. Respect your elders. Short खोला. Take up the short. Take up the short. Short खोला. Take up the short. यसलाई मनमा नलिऊ. Don't take it too hot. Don't take it too hot. यसलाई मनमा नलिऊ. Don't take it too hot. तिमी आफ्नो काम गर. You do your work. You do your work. तिमी आफ्नो काम गर. You do your work. उसलाई स्टेसनमा छोडिदेऊ. Drop him at the station. Drop him at the station. उसलाई स्टेसनमा छोडिदेऊ. Drop him at the station. कृपया जानुहोस्. Please leave. Please leave. कृपया जानुहोस्. Please leave. हामी खुसी छौं. We are happy. We are happy. हामी खुसी छौं. We are happy. मलाई थाहा छैन. I don't know. I don't know. मलाई थाहा छैन. I don't know. त्यो के हो? What is that? What is that? त्यो के हो? What is that? के तिमी थाकेको छौ? Are you tired? Are you tired? के तिमी थाकेको छौ? Are you tired? अब म थाकेको छु. I am tired now. I am tired now. अब म थाकेको छु. I am tired now. म धेरै व्यस्त छु. I am very busy. I am very busy. म धेरै व्यस्त छु. I am very busy. यो शीतैको हो. It's free. It's free. यो शीतैको हो. It's free. मलाई कोसिस गर्न दिनुस्. Let me try. Let me try. मलाई कोसिस गर्न दिनुस्. Let me try. यसलाई छिटो बनाउनुस्. Make it quick. Make it quick. यसलाई छिटो बनाउनुस्. Make it quick. के म भित्र आउन सक्छु? May I come in? May I come in? के म भित्र आउन सक्छु? May I come in? ढोका खोल्नुहोस्. Open the door. Open the door. ढोका खोल्नुहोस्. Open the door. यसलाई फेरि पढ्नुहोस्. Read it again. Read it again. यसलाई फेरि पढ्नुहोस्. Read it again. कोठा सफा गर्नुहोस्. Clean the room. Clean the room. कोठा सफा गर्नुहोस्. Clean the room. यसलाई नछुनुहोस्. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. यसलाई नछुनुहोस्. Don't touch it. ओछ्यानबाट बाहिर आउनुहोस्. Get out of bed. Get out of bed. ओछ्यानबाट बाहिर आउनुहोस्. Get out of bed. म फर्केर आउनेछु. I will come back. I will come back. म फर्केर आउनेछु. I will come back. म तपाईलाई फोन गर्नेछु. I will call you. I will call you. म तपाईलाई फोन गर्नेछु. I will call you. म घरमा बस्नेछु. I will stay at home. I will stay at home. म घरमा बस्नेछु. I will stay at home. पर्याप्त समय लिनुहोस्. Take your time. Take your time. पर्याप्त समय लिनुहोस्. Take your time. यसको बारेमा सोच्नुहोस्. Think about it. Think about it. यसको बारेमा सोच्नुहोस्. Think about it. यो एउटा कलम हो. This is a pen. This is a pen. यो एउटा कलम हो. This is a pen. मलाई जानुपर्छ. I have to go. I have to go. मलाई जानुपर्छ. I have to go.